Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm so sorry, have a long time I did not upload any video about the spec detector. You see, the spec detector is really giving us confirmation for signal and down position on crash 1000x. I'm opening so many trades here because I know that market will go in down position and we will make good profit. I cannot record a long video because I know that you will be upset. You see the another arrows when market gives a perfect signal and we catch always spikes. You see, not just one spike, but we catch a lot of spike with the one signal here, one two guys, and you can see that so many. Now number three spike signal is here right now. I will hold to till spikes. When I will gain profit, then I can show you everything. The real spec detector, one of the most successful 2025 spec detector of the this century, guys. You can make a huge profit using a mobile phone very easily. Everything very easy, everything very easy. Let me open some more trades here right now, so you can make a lot of profit when you know that how to use this system. If you are new, so please subscribe my channel and open the bell icon button right now. Go to description. If you don't have a Deriv account, you can create a Deriv account from a link. If you don't still join my WhatsApp channel or group, you can go in description, check my WhatsApp channel and follow my WhatsApp channel for free signals. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, you can join my WhatsApp group and contact me directly for this spec director and for more services about business ship, guys. Okay, so one of the most system that I'm using here, so we will hold and see that what happened. An amazing signal, guys, that we trust in this indicator. I know that we will get a spike, the small spike I get, the signals successful rate is very successful. But I will hold closing this video and show you a few minutes later the result of this system. Okay, guys, so you don't have to close this video, you just watch the accuracy of this system, guys. You check here, the system is very successfully, guys. Don't miss this video and don't miss this YouTube channel. Subscribe and leave notification, guys.